Passing data from one widget to another can get messy. InheritedWidget saves you from passing data around by allowing any child widget to access that data. Just look it up whenever you need it. First, make your own class that extends InheritedWidget to pass your data around in your app. Add a field directly to your class for the data you want to store and look up later. Then you'll add two methods. The of method is a convention to access your InheritedWidget data more easily from the child widgets. The second method is update_should_notify. This tells Flutter if it should redraw widgets that depend on the data when that data changes. The old widget parameter lets you compare the previous data in your InheritedWidget to the new one. If you need to modify data lower down in your widget tree, you can combine InheritedWidget with something like value_notifier or change_notifier. But that can get complicated. So for those situations, consider a state management package like provider or scope model to save you some boilerplate. There's a more detailed video on InheritedWidget in the Flutter Widgets 101 series linked in the description. For additional